Hey folks, this video aims to dive deep into my recent blog on practical guide to build habits. In this video, I'm going to cover habit loop and also how you can use this process to develop positive habit and break any bad habits. So let's dive in. Habits are the building blocks of our daily lives, ultimately contributing to our long-term success. Research by Duke University revealed that around 40% of our daily action are driven by habit rather than conscious decision. This means that nearly half of our day is just on autopilot, guided by habit that we developed over time. So how you can use this to your advantage. The secret to success and continuous growth lies in disciplined habits, like a consistent morning routine or regular exercise. But habits do more than just structure our day. They shape our identity. Take, for example, someone who runs every morning. Over time, they're not just someone who runs, but they become a runner. This identity reinforces the habit, creating a powerful cycle. This process means that by consciously developing positive habits, you can shape an identity that aligns with your goals and your aspiration, setting the stage for lasting success. But how do we form these habits? To understand how we can form a habit, it is important to understand the habit loop. Habit loop is like a powerful framework that was actually initially introduced in the book of The Power of Habit. This loop consists of three key elements: the trigger, the routine, and the reward. The trigger initiates the habit, the routine is actually the behavior itself, and the reward is what keeps the habit going. Let's talk about the example to help you better understand this habit loop. Let's say someone just do smoking, right? So if he feels stressed, the trigger is going to be that stress for this habit. Then he starts to smoke a cigarette. So this is actually the behavior itself, and that's the routine that we mean in the loop. And then by doing this routine, he feels relief. So this is actually the reward that he's getting when he's smoking. So over time, this becomes automatic as the brain seeks to conserve energy, turning this repeated routine into a habit. So now, by understanding this loop, it actually can give you a power to change any sort of habit. So if you can identify the trigger and the reward in any of your habit, you can easily replace that bad habit into a healthier one. This is actually more like a kind of conscious process that you can leverage in order to change any sort of habit. One thing to note is that habits are dynamic. They should evolve and change as your life changes. For example, if your job schedule shifts, you might need to move your morning exercise to the evening. This flexibility actually ensures that your habit continue to support your evolving goals. Now let's talk about how to build a new habit. So one thing, there are a number of factors and elements that can contribute to building a new habit. So the first thing that you need to consider is that this is not a one-size-fits-all process. It actually requires experimentation to find what actually works for you. The role of reward, whether it's internal or external, is crucial to reinforce any sort of new habit. Also, environment plays a significant role. By setting up the trigger, like placing your workload cloud next to your bed, this actually can make it easier for you to stick to your habit. When you wake up and see your workout clothing ready to go, it can be considered as like a visual trigger that can help you to just nudge you. It actually can help you to just make an action and do the exercise. Also, persistence is a key. Research shows that consistency, making tiny gain, can lead to substantial changes over time. So as an example, if you improve your productivity by just 1% each day, it can actually lead to 37% improvement over a year. So pairing this persistence with celebrating a small win actually can help you to sustain your motivation and keep doing the habit. Also start small. Instead of committing to, like, let's say 60 minutes of daily exercise, you can just start with 5 minutes over time you can gradually increase this duration, and or even you can make intensify that. But these macro habits can build the momentum and also reduce burnout and can help you to sustain the habit in long term. Another things that it's good to know is about the concept of habit stacking, which is a powerful technique. It's a more like a kind of techniques which is based on attaching a new habit to an existing one. So you can easily integrate whatever new habit into your daily life. For example, if you usually do brushing your teeth every morning, what you can do is just maybe attach meditation to this habit so that you can start to just also do meditation in the morning as well. So to wrap up, one thing that you need to understand is that the habit is the foundation of your daily life and your long-term success. By understanding and consciously shaping your habit, you can create an identity that is aligned with your goals and aspiration. So start small, stay consistent, and watch how these building blocks of success can transform your life.